Come with me to one of the biggest African shops in Switzerland, Osina Afro Market in Winterthur. Let's go. So I'm here, Osina Afro Market. Let's go inside. Man, this shop has everything an Igbo person needs in their life. Let me take you around. I actually went to buy oha leaf and they had the frozen ones. Sometimes you also get the fresh ones, but it depends. There is bitter leaf, there is okra, there is everything you will need. Hotago. And also a big freezer full of nicely pre-cut meat, frozen of course, for you to take home and start to prepare your favorite soup. If you're lacking spices, this is your place to go. From very hot pepper to the Maggi cube you used to buy in our Fuso. There's everything you need. Even rice you can buy here. I also found some dry uziza leaves and oha, the dried version. I mean, palm oil from Osina's place. Hi, look at the color, so lovely. There was bacalao, which is salted okporoko, and flour, fufu flour. And I also found Chiji's favorite, golden morn. Of course I had to pack it. There's different things from different African countries, like Ethiopian coffee, you can see here. At first I thought it was okwa, but it's actually fresh coffee that hasn't been roasted yet. They have the local drinks. The hotago, anything you see in Niger, you see it here. Dried fish, Ezenwa's favorite, mangala, and other types of fish. But of course, there's also some fresh vegetables like plantain or yam, and many things for your body, like creams, lotion, hair products, shampoo, conditioner, anything you want. Stuff to treat your hair with, and more hair to make braids. So whatever you're looking for, Hotago, you will not come out here with empty hands like me. See, I bought palm oil, the golden one, zobo, tom-tom for the kids, the coffee, plantain, opaka. Let's see what the kids will say. There's some goodies in there for them too. When I got home, I told the kids to get ready, that I had something for them. And Uche was in a hurry to finish his food. And see what I brought. Immediately he saw his favorite. He went to hide it. Where are you going? Chijoke doesn't play with his golden one. Just like Uche, with what he found next. He didn't care about the okporoko. He didn't care about the kola nut either. But once he reached his tom-tom, see how he will hide it. Watch. So, where did you put that thing now? What did you put on your leg? Tom-tom. Here we are. Kimchi. Opaka. Why, tom-tom? Palm oil. Here we are. Okwa. One. Give me that tom-tom.
Which tom-tom now?
Tom-tom. Near me.
Which one?
The one by your leg. They are cheap. Yum. Rachel,
I don't have anything.
give it to me. Oh.
What?
The tom-tom. Sweet, sweet. Right there.
I don't have it.
You have it. Near me a bit.
I
Okay.
don't have it.
See, Koboko is there.
I know.
He didn't want to share his tom-tom with anybody, so I had to bring out the
Oh, yeah,
Koboko
near me.
for him to understand.
What?
See, Koboko.
Mommy,
Jenna.
please.
Yeah, keep it on the table.
You're not funny.
Keep it on the table. I'm
What?
not joking.
What?
That thing you put in here. See your hole.
Nah, of course I'm just joking. But to be honest, they were really happy and excited about the goodies I brought for them.